So on results day, 8 AM, I looked at my results, realised I hadn't quite gotten the results that I wanted. I was 2 marks off one of the grades I needed. But I'd already researched clearing over the summer, so I knew what I needed to do. I had my grades, I knew what course I wanted to ask to go on to. I called the clearing hotline that was on the website. Couldn't get through because obviously on clearing, on results day, everyone is trying to get through. So I decided, you know what, I'll go home, speak to my family, speak to my friends, forget about it for now. And then about noonish, I called up again, got through, gave my grades that they asked for. But after a bit of back and forth, the lady that I spoke to, she came back to me and she gave me the offer that I wanted, basically. I found it quite positive overall. The staff that spoke to me on the phone, she was really helpful. It was really accessible to find the course that I wanted and finding the information I needed, what grades I needed. So I'd heard from a lot of people that Newcastle was a lovely city. It was a great place to study. I was at the UCAS website to look at what courses they offer, and they offered an astrophysics course, which is the one that I really wanted, so it was a no-brainer for me. When I got to Newcastle, I was incredibly excited because I'd been thinking about studying at university for ages. It was just really exciting being able to be here and move out and do what I wanted. My top tip for clearing would be just make sure you're prepared, research it beforehand, make sure the courses that you want are going to be on there. But then you can also go on the Newcastle University website, you can sign up for clearing alerts, everything.